Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to shop on the Qantas application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the shop button down below next to the my QFF and book buttons. After that you should see that here you have a bunch of options. So you have the best sellers section. If you are interested in the items in more detail, tap on this arrow in the right side. As you scroll down you can select from categories, and here you can see the popular brands. So tap on one of these categories and then you will be directed to store.qantas.com, where you can browse among products. Here you can tap on the shop button if you are interested in the details, and then you can tap on the relevant product that you would like to purchase, and then you can finalize the process of purchasing the product by tapping on the add to cart button, then adding your personal details, payment method and delivery address. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.